Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and today will be Scam Day. Yep, we're going to talk about the different scams that are very popular lately, and I think this series of videos that I will put in a playlist called Scams 2021 is important to share with everybody. So if you have friends, family that you're always afraid that maybe they could have some kind of problem because they don't know their way around, and they don't know what's the fake and what's the true things. I think this will be a series that maybe sharing with your friends and family that are less knowledgeable is important. So a series of videos of the different scams that are actually the most popular ones going on as of April 2021. They have a shift over time, so this is going to be interesting. The first one we're going to talk about that apparently is extremely popular in the past couple of weeks and months is scams that have to do with somebody calling you and asking you or telling you, or an email you might receive, and it's telling you that, you haven't done your payment on the antivirus and that you need to pay now. So this has to do with the antivirus companies. So the antiviruses themselves, there's nothing fake with that. If you have Norton, if you have Malwarebytes, if you have EVG, McAfee, whatever you have, it is a legitimate software. The problem is some scammers are taking that legitimate software to and trying to tell you that, well, the antivirus that you've used, you haven't paid for it yet, so you got to pay now. Remember one thing: the antiviruses, okay? There's free antivirus and there's the paid antivirus. Antiviruses do not, wait for you to, send you a bill later on. It doesn't work like that. They want to be paid in advance. So if you have an antivirus that you're buying, you're paying for it immediately. You're not going to pay for it a year from now. It's not like that it works. So apparently the guys, they send you either an email that looks very official, tells you, well, you need to pay for the antivirus you're using now. And you got to click the link here to, have us give us our payment details. And the other one is apparently some are calling on the phone, telling you, well, you got to pay for your antivirus. Once again, so these are scams that are going on right now. You do not have a bill for an antivirus after the fact. If you do, because, some antiviruses will send you an email, for example, and let you know, well, your antivirus is about to expire, then you should renew your antivirus. And that usually is done within the software itself. You don't really have to click any links. But you cannot get a bill after, and they're going to say, well, now you've used it for a year, you owe us $125. It doesn't work like that. No antivirus company will let you use their software if you already haven't paid for it. And of course, there's the free antiviruses. And for the most part, you know what? You have, of course, the Windows Defender antivirus that you can be using. That is fine. And you know what? If you're using that, well, there's no fees to pay. This is a free antivirus that's part of Windows 10. If you get any emails, any calls, any scams, please, this is not true. Do not believe it. You don't owe anybody anything. And no antiviruses companies are not going to go after you because they want to have payment or something. They're just going to stop. If you have a paid antivirus, if you don't pay for it, the only thing that's going to happen is that your antivirus is going to stop protecting you. That's all. Nothing more. So don't fall for that scam, and let everybody know about it, because it is apparently one of the big scams right now that's going on. So make sure that nobody falls for that scam. It's extremely important to know. And it's extremely important to stay safe so that, friends, family, and including yourself are not going to, get scammed out of some money because you're not sure or you don't understand the way that it works. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.